it's Michelle, and I'm participating this month in Karen Yeagel's Let's Get Organized Hop. Today I'm organizing these punch-out embellishments that come with my Keep It Simple Paper Crafts cardstock packs. And I love that there's all of these embellishments, but once I started using them, they kind of started falling out. So I punched them out, kept them with their color families, and you can see where I'm doing that. Each color has the exact same embellishments. So I put them in a magnetic album. Here are photos of what was left. And then let me show you the rest. Okay, so I wanted to show you the final how I got this all organized, and I also wanted to show you these are the sheets that I punched all of the shapes out of, and this Back to Basics cardstock comes in 6 different colors, I believe. So I wanted to show you how I have this stored. I bought these storage envelopes off of Amazon, and I will link them down below. And if I forget, please comment and let me know. Okay, so this is the top sheet. And then what I've cut into, if it fits in the in an 8.5 by 11 sheet protector, I store it in there. And then these are the pages I have left. So you can see it goes from light to medium, light, medium, and more of a dark. Okay. So what I was having problems with, although I love these sheets, once I started using them, they would start falling out. So I knew there had to be a better solution. So I went with the Pioneer magnetic album. It's acid free. And let me show you what I've done. So, and I've put these in rainbow order. I started with pink because in my mind, pink comes before red. So I just put them as many as I can. Now, if you use these, you know that you have to leave some space for this protective film to stick back. Okay, so hopefully I left enough. I made sure there was room here along this side and the top and the bottom. All right, and then I put some more on the back, and then this is a leftover straggler of this sheet, but then I had also taken it's the Slimline Stitch heart die, and I had cut out a bunch of hearts a while back for a layout, and I will try to include that here at the end because I don't have the layout anymore to show you. And then these are some hearts that were cut out from the new mason jar thin cuts. So I thought, why not just keep the pink together, and this is all Keep It Simple. Okay, and then I have room here on the back for more pink if I need it. Now this is the red, and it goes into a pink, but this is a different pink than that pink. So this is all from the red collection. And then here's a couple of stragglers, and here's a couple of the hard side cut. Okay, then we go into the orange, which is called Mango. And I tried to kind of keep it the same format. If you see, let me show you. Kind of the same format so I can turn and find what I'm looking for. A couple stragglers, a straggler, and then more hearts. Then we get into the yellow, which is called Lemon. Okay. And then this green one actually goes, this is the extras. So it goes behind here. Okay. And then the blue, which is called Royal. And then the purple, and these all have special names. I can't remember them all yet, but I'm loving these cardstock packs, and I love these die cut pieces. I can see myself using them a lot. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions, and I appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.